Hi, so we will relax the body and then we will work a bit on the upper half of the body and then working on the spine to make the energy better. And then this will be very wonderful to have a body circulation. Now, start. Head relax, breathe in, breathe out. Neck relax, breathe in, breathe out. Shoulder relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Chest relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Abdomen relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Back relax. Breathe in, breathe out. So for a moment, think about get all the negative energy out from your body where you don't feel good, right? It could be anywhere. And then we like to focus a little bit on the upper back now, around this area. So we know we have the spine, and the spine, neck, lots of stiffness, tightness around there. And then gently lift the neck up and really feel the vertebrae moving a bit at a time. Now try to bend down more. Now you can breathe in, go forward, and then raise arms. Now. So this area here is kind of tight. And I think this is a little bit nice to do. It could be, I could be raising my shoulder and I can roll my hand here. The spine muscles, neck, two side, can do something about myself. Can I actually roll a side to the other side? Just roll a bit. Feel it. Relax. Another thing you could do is raise your arm. Let's try this. Raising arm. Just like back stroke. Open. So breathe in. Breathe out. It's like when we do swimming, we will be looking, we can look up and behind, and this will be good to do more if you want to. So this is more like something to help the muscles at the back, open the vertebrae and support the neck to repair. Yeah, very gentle, very simple. We know swimming is good for us, but we may not have time to go to the swimming pool, but we can do some in a sitting position. So if you like what I do, please check the link below And then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.